Welcome back, guys. In this video we are going to learn about a method which is called prime factorization method. I'll write it down here: prime factorization method. Actually, in the past videos we have been using this method. In this video I'll be teaching you the full detail about this method. So I use it quite a lot before, like uh, finding the factors. When I was finding the factor, I used this method. So here I'll teach you with a new example. So if I'm here, if I say to you, find the factor of, say, 980 using prime factorization method. Okay, what I did earlier was I divided it, right, but the correct method will be, except one, we'll start from 2. Okay, the smallest number is 2 except 1. So we'll start from 2. Is it number divisible by 2? If it is, we'll do it by 2. The answer will be 490. So is this the second number, 490? The result, is it divisible by, we have to check it again, is it divisible by 2 again? If it is, we'll do it again. 2, 4, 5. And is 245 divisible by 2? No, it's not divisible by 2. Then we have to go to the next number, that is 3. But we cannot like write it 3 here because we don't know that this number is divisible by 3 or not, right? We are just checking it whether it's divisible by the next number of 2, that is 3. So 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 5 is 11. 11 is not divisible by 3. We know that divisibility of 3, I'm using that one, so it's not divisible by 3. So the next number will be 4. The divisibility of 4 is, check the last two number, 45. 45 is not divisible by, so this thing is not divisible by 4. It's not divisible by 3, it's not divisible by 4, but it's divisible by the next number, 5. So here 4, 9, 49. Is 49 divisible by 5 again? Is it? No, it's not divisible. We have to check by 6. We know that it's not divisible by 6 because divisibility of 6 is, we need to meet the two conditions, that is, it should be divisible by 2 and 3. We know that it's not divisible by 2, so it's not divisible by 6. So the next number is 7. Yeah, it's divisible by 7. 7 7s are 49, and 7 is divisible by 7. At last one comes. So factor of 980 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 7 into 7. This method which we were using before and right now we are using is called prime factorization method. Alright, because you notice that all the factors are prime numbers actually. 2 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. So prime factorization method, right, prime is there and we see that all the factors are prime and it's a factorization method, so it's called prime factorization method. We have been using this and this process is very simple. First we have to pick the smallest number, 2. We need to check it if it's divisible by the smallest number 2 or not, except 1. Don't ignore the 1. Then we need to recheck again if it's divisible by 2 again or not. Then we'll go to next and next and next number. But I checked it with 4, right, and I checked it with 6. We don't need to check by 4 and 6. We don't need to check by 4 and 6 because 4 and 6 is not a prime number. So if I do it again, 980, alright, what I'll do is smallest prime number. I'll start with smallest prime number. There is 2. Prime factorization method. Keep that in mind. It's prime factorization. All the factors will be prime. So I am starting with prime. Smallest prime is 2, 490. I could get it. Then it's again divisible by 2, 245. Then the next prime number will be 3, but it's not divisible, right? So we don't need to go to 4 because it's not a prime number. Directly we'll check by 5 since 5 is the next prime number. So I did it 49. We don't need to check by 6 because it's not a prime number. We'll do by 7 and we finished it here. So if there's an x number given and you need to do by prime factorization method, what you will do is pick the smallest prime number first, 2, then keep dividing until it's divisible by 2, then go to 3 because it's the next prime number, then try to divide it by 5, then 7, then next prime number will be 11, then 13, like that. You don't need to divide by any number which is not a prime. So this method which we have seen is prime factorization method. Okay, thank you guys for watching.